Hello guys and welcome to this video. This is the first course update for Laravel 5.4. There has been no major changes to Laravel 5.4 that are going to affect our application. So if you're using Laravel 5.4, you just need to do exactly the same thing I do in the videos. There's not going to be any difference, okay? But I just want to show you some little changes. So right here in the application, we're going to be having in our routes folder, API, console, and web. We're not going to be having channel. And in application, it's not going to affect you in any way. So no worries about it. So if you're using Laravel 5.4, by the time you take this course, no problem. You can go ahead and install Laravel 5.4. But if you want to do exactly the same thing that I do in the course, you just need to come to the Laravel 5.3 branch for the documentation right here. Okay, so I'm using Laravel 5.3 in this course, and you just need to change your installation to this right here. Okay, so Laravel 5.3.star, and you're gonna install the version that I'm gonna use in this course. But it's not gonna change anything at all if you're using Laravel 5.4. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And even though you might be seeing this without actually knowing how to install Laravel, everything is just gonna be fine, I can assure you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.